KTM 790 Adventure 2023. The 2023 KTM 790 Adventure, a mid-size adventure bike with a big attitude. The KTM 790 Adventure is the perfect motorcycle for riders who want to conquer the road and tackle any terrain. This mid-size bike packs a powerful punch with its 799cc parallel twin engine, reaching speeds of up to 225 kilometers per hour. With a lightweight chassis, high-performance suspension, and advanced electronics, the 790 Adventure delivers a thrilling, confidence-inspiring ride. The full-color TFT display, multiple riding modes, and traction control make this motorcycle a true powerhouse on the road. Whether you're navigating twisty roads, tackling challenging off-road terrain, or embarking on a long-distance adventure, the KTM 790 Adventure is the ultimate partner. Don't let its mid-size stature fool you. This bike has a big attitude and is ready to take on the world. The KTM 790 Adventure 2023 has been revised and redesigned in Austria. The motorcycle is manufactured by the partner CF Moto in China. The aim is to expand globally and also offer the bikes to customers in the Far East. KTM wanted to further improve the rideability of the L-Sage C-Twin. The engine still delivers 95 horsepower at 8,000 revolutions per minute and 88 Nm at 6,500 revolutions per minute, but it has been tuned to meet Euro 5 emission limits. The new 790 Adventure is now said to be more stable at constant speed and cornering better, thanks to a 20% increase in rotating mass. The revised throttle bodies are said to provide a cleaner and more efficient connection thanks to improved combustion. The knock sensor improves the ignition and combustion of low-octane fuel, helpful when fuel quality fluctuates when traveling. The end result can be heard through the very latest 2023 model year exhaust system with catalytic converter and pre-silencer. The service interval for the KTM 790 Adventure 2023 is 15,000 kilometers. The revised pass clutch with new clutch lining plates is designed to ensure greater reliability of the KTM 790 Adventure, and the engine can breathe more freely with the new air filter box. The bike also uses the latest 6D sensor. This sensor is also found on the larger KTM models such as the 890 Adventure and 1290 Super Adventure. This device sends data to the motorcycle traction control, ABS, engine drag torque control, and riding mode control. In terms of features, the KTM 790 Adventure has a lot in common with its big sister, the KTM 890 Adventure. The ABS program is now switched automatically depending on the driving mode, so no additional configuration is required. The new 790 also has the so-called demo function. This allows owners to test the entire range of optional driver assistance functions over the first 1,500 kilometers. Only then do buyers have to decide which features they want to buy and keep. High-performance WP suspension with 200 mm of travel front and rear. The 43 mm WP Apex upside-down fork offers 200 mm travel, as does the shock absorber. The shock absorber has been repositioned to lower the seat height to 840 mm. Like the 890 Adventure, the 790 also benefits from the new headlight mask, which merges seamlessly into the side panel and is rounded off by the higher windshield. The 5 inches TFT display is now brighter and adapts to the ambient light, while the revamped menu system with new infographics allows for faster and easier customization. Syncing the bike with the KTM Connect app now offers more helpful navigation and travel functions, so you can organize your top 10 calls and contacts and adjust the parameters of the turn-by-turn navigation on the go. According to KTM, the 20-liter tank offers a range of up to 450 kilometers. The KTM 790 Adventure, where power meets versatility. Looking for a motorcycle that can handle anything the road throws your way? Look no further than the 2023 KTM 790 Adventure. With its powerful engine, high-performance suspension, and advanced electronics, this bike is ready to take on any challenge. Whether you're cruising on pavement or tackling rugged off-road terrain, the KTM 790 Adventure delivers a thrilling, confidence-inspiring ride. Its lightweight chassis and advanced electronics, including a full-color TFT display and traction control, make this motorcycle a true powerhouse. However, it's important to note that the KTM 790 Adventure is not for the faint of heart. This is a complex and expensive motorcycle that may not be the best choice for everyone, but for riders who demand the best in performance and technology, the KTM 790 Adventure is an excellent choice. So, are you ready to experience the ultimate in adventure riding? Then saddle up and hit the road with the 2023 KTM 790 Adventure.